So in today's class, we will discuss about the gasoline direct injection engine. So it comes under the fifth unit of advanced IC engine subject. Okay. So what is gasoline direct injection engine? So in this PPT, we will discuss about the gasoline direct injection engine and various modes of gasoline direct injection engine. Okay. We will go to the first slide here. First, we have to know what is gasoline direct injection. So in today's, either it is a two-stroke engine or it is a four-stroke engine. We use this GDI. So what is GDI? So what is the difference between GDI and another manifold fuel injection systems? What is the basic difference? We have to know first. So in case of a GDI, first we will come to know what is the manifold fuel injection system procedure. So in case of a manifold fuel injection system, we inject fuel in the intake manifold. So we inject fuel in the intake manifold. Whereas in case of a GDI, we inject fuel in the combustion chamber itself. So this will can be explained by a diagram here. This is a diagram explaining about gasoline direct injection. So here you can see that the air is flowing through the intake valve. You have a separate division where the fuel injector is placed and fuel is sprayed, okay, to the combustion chamber. Okay. So whereas in a traditional manifold system, through this intake valve itself, fuel is sprayed. So the air fuel mixture will be arrived. Whereas in the gasoline direct injection system, you can see this fuel injector is directly placed in the combustion chamber itself. Okay. So this is the difference between a gasoline direct injection and the manifold fuel injection systems. Okay. So I again repeat, in case of GDI, you have the fuel injector which is placed directly to the combustion chamber itself. So this is the main point which explains what is GDI. Okay. Then this is about GDI. We should know what is the combustion modes of GDI. So there are said to be three combustion modes. One is said to be ultra lean burn mode. Next is said to be stoichiometric mode. Third is said to be full power output mode. We should know what are the three combustion modes. So first we will study about this ultra lean burn mode. Okay. So we will go with ultra lean burn mode. So you can see here ultra lean burn mode. So here if the vehicle is going at the constant speed, if the vehicle is going at the constant speed and there is no acceleration, suppose if the vehicle is running at light load condition, suppose it is running at light load condition, then you can use this ultra lean burn mode. So here, what is ultra lean burn mode? So in this ultra lean burn mode, fuel is injected only at the compression stroke. This is the main highlight of this ultra lean burn mode. So fuel can be injected only at the compression stroke. It is not injected at the intake stroke. Okay. So this is about ultra lean burn mode. Next, we will go to stoichiometric mode. Here, we have seen first in ultra lean mode, burn mode, it is running at light load condition. Whereas in stoichiometric mode, it is running at moderate load condition. So, if the load is moderate and if the speed is moderate, then the fuel is injected at the intake stroke itself. In case of ultra lean burn mode, the fuel is injected at the compression stroke, whereas in stoichiometric mode, the fuel is injected at the intake stroke. Okay, then we will go to full power mode. So when you climb a hill, or if the vehicle is carrying heavy loads, if the vehicle is at rapid acceleration, constantly changing acceleration, then you use full power mode. So here the fuel is injected during intake stroke. So I will again repeat, there are three combustion modes. First mode, ultra lean burn mode. It is used at light road running conditions when the speed is constant or when there is no acceleration. Ultra lean is used. Whereas in stoichiometric, it is used to test moderate load condition. Okay. Whereas in full power mode, when you climb a very hill, then the vehicle needs full power mode. So only full power is used here. Okay. So this is about the three modes. At last, we will arrive at the difference between the gasoline direct injection and port fuel injection. So there is a diagram explaining about gasoline direct injection. You see here, there is a fuel injector placed directly to the combustion chamber, whereas in a port fuel injector is not placed directly to the combustion chamber, whereas air fuel mixture is obtained and it goes inside the combustion chamber. So this is the difference. So when fuel is injected, so gasoline direct injection, in case of gasoline direct injection, when the fuel is injected, it depends upon the mode. Whereas in port fuel injection, it depends upon intake stroke only. So stroke only the fuel is injected. Whereas depending upon the mode, fuel is injected. Here in GDI, fuel is injected at the combustion chamber, whereas it is at intake port. So this is the difference. First two difference. Third difference is fuel injection pressure. It is about to 2200, whereas here 40 to 60. How many injections? It can be multiple. It can be one injection per stroke. So per stroke in port fuel injection there will be only one injection, whereas here per stroke there can be multiple injections of fuel. So here this is the difference between the gasoline and port fuel injection. Okay, this is about the gasoline. First I will repeat, gasoline GDI is nothing but the fuel injector through which fuel is injected directly to the combustion chamber. So there are three modes: ultra lean, stoichiometric, full power output. So ultra lean is where light road running conditions, it injects only at the compression stroke, whereas stoichiometric it injects at the intake stroke and it carries the proper fuel air mixture. It is at moderate load condition, whereas at full power mode it is used at heavy loads while climbing a hill, etc. Lastly, we will arrive the difference between GDI and port fuel injection. So at last we will go to an assignment. So you please note down, you draw the diagram of GDI and you explain. That is about the assignment. Okay, thank you.